And here we are at the first Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Starting from this, you can create a new Excel file, as you can see, just by clicking on Blank Workbook within the Home menu, which you see on the left. In addition to this menu, other two menus stand out: the menu called New and the menu called Open. Inside the New menu, in addition to actually hands-on creating a new Excel file, you also have a series of ready-to-use templates offered by Microsoft to set up, for example, calendars or budgets or simple invoices. By scrolling through the list, you'll find all the available templates. More than this, you may choose in suggested searches the most diverse categories to browse and from which to select pre-established templates you may need. Finally, in the Open menu, you can open closed files and pick out, among the sub-menu workbooks, those files you have just recently closed, which, just clicking on them, may be reopened. Next to the Workbooks menu, you'll find the Folders menu to operate on the folders containing your own recent Excel files. Now, let's get on with the creation of the new Excel file, clicking on the icon mentioned before. Here's to you the first Excel spreadsheet, with which we are about to start this course.